boil the noodles, you have to first of all take a wok or a frying pan, then add some water in it. Then you have to take some salt and add it when the boil will come, and then you have to just add the noodles and let it boil for a minute by covering it with the lid. Here I have added the salt now because the boil is coming, and then you have to add the noodles. When the boil come, you have to put the noodles. Here I am putting some tops noodle, and now you have to push it gently with a spatula, and then it will not break. You have to just push it gently so that it covers in the water. Then just curve it some little bit. It will not break because of the hot boiling water. And then you have to boil it for a minute or so. I am adding some extra water because my water is less. So here I will just boil it for a minute or so, or 2 minutes. Here I have covered it with lid. You have also to cover it with lid so that it get boiled fast. So to check the noodle, take a noodle, then cut it. If your noodles are ready, you can turn off the flame. Here my noodles are ready, so I am going to turn the flame off. So here you can see I have turned the flame off, and then I will just remove it. I have put it in the water for a little time because mine are a bit raw. So now I have taken it out in a strainer and then strain all the water from it. Now you can see I am straining out the water, and now you can see here all the white material. Now you have to take all the noodles in a plate, and then you have to spread it with a fork or your hands. You have to then put some oil on it, and then you have to refrigerate it for about half an hour. Now in a wok, take about 2 tablespoons of oil. And add some chopped garlic in it. You have to use more garlic because it is chili garlic noodles. And then you have to add onion, sliced onion. You have to add now salt about as per your taste. Then you have to add some capsicums or bell pepper, and then you have to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar. I am adding 2.5 tablespoons, and you have to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ketchup and half a tablespoon of soya sauce. I am using 3 tablespoons of ketchup, and here I have put 2 tablespoons of chili oil, which I have prepared in the last video. You can check out in the I box here. And then you have to put the noodles in here, and you have to just mix it well. You have also mix it well, and now you can see its beautiful color, which is reddish orangish type. It is due to the red chili oil which we made in the last video. Stir it well so that it will become very delicious because all of the sauces mix well. The chili garlic noodles are almost ready. Just once stir it well, turn the flame off. Your chili garlic noodles are ready. Serve it hot.